Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can download Terraria on PC and laptop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Steam app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now go to the search bar located at top right corner, type in Terraria and give it a go. You can see that the game is available. Click on it and scroll down a little bit. Now click on the Buy Now button and you will be asked if you want to buy it for yourself or gift it to a friend. Select either option, choose the payment method, enter the required information and click on Continue to buy the game. After buying it, go to the Library tab and access the game tile to get the Install button. Click on Install and it will start installing. And that's how you can download Terraria on PC and laptop. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.